How to unlink phone number from Binance account. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can unlink or change your phone number from Binance account. So let's get started. So at first you have to make sure that you have updated the latest version of Binance app on your system. So you have to confirm that, and after you confirm that, you have to open your Binance app and log in with your account. So simply you have to open the Binance app, and now from here you will got such interface. So from here you will have to go with the profile section. It will appear at the just at the top left corner of the screen. So simply you have to tap on your profile icon, and now from here you will have to scroll down and find the options like security. So it will be in the upper side of the settings. So simply you have to tap on the security option, and now in the security section you will have to go with the options like SMS. So here are so many options like biometric security, Binance Google authentication, email address authentication. So on the another end you will got options SMS. So you have to go with the option SMS, and now on the SMS Authenticator you will be able to turn on or turn off the SMS Authenticator, and in the another hand you will get the options change SMS authentication. So you have to go with the options change SMS authentication. So simply tap on it, and now from here you will be able to unlink your phone number from your Binance account, and you will be able to change the phone number from your Binance account. So you have to continue from here, and you will be able to unlink your existing phone number from your Binance account and add a new phone number on your Binance account. So this is the easiest and simplest method to unlink or add new phone number on your Binance account. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.